Retention Strategy for Health Professionals, a descriptive study. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Effective medical service and enough health professionals are required to develop quality health service. Recruitment, retention of the health workforce and increased health financing in developing countries are important to achieve the targets of Sustainable Development Goal 3 to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. The aim of this study is to find out the perception and opinions from the resigned medical practitioners and professional nurses of Mang Kweng Academic Hospital regarding the retention of health professionals, and from which retention initiatives can be implemented from the data gathered. An observational retrospective descriptive quantitative design associated with all resigned medical practitioners and professional nurses who quit from Mang Kweng Academic Hospital from January 2018 to December 2022. A total of 121 medical practitioners and professional nurses resigned from January 2018 to December 2022. Among them, 74 were medical practitioners and 47 professional nurses. Lack of prospects advancement, 26%, relocation, 26%, and promotion, 19%, were the important associated factors responsible for quitting the job among the group of medical practitioners. Promotion, 34%, poor working conditions, 13%, and work-related stress, 13%, were the main reasons for the resignation of the professional nurses. Over 22% of medical practitioners proposed to increase the number of staff, and 49% of the professional nurses advocated increasing the number of staff. Opinions of the resigned medical practitioners and professional nurses were to emphasize increasing the number of health professionals. Adequate staffing is necessary in the health sector. Increasing the number of health professionals is imperative, and equally, enhanced promotions should be considered to retain the employee. Introduction. This study focuses on understanding why health professionals, specifically doctors and nurses, leave their jobs at Mang Kweng Academic Hospital in South Africa. The hospital is an important institution that provides medical care and training to the Limpopo province, but it faces challenges with staff resignations. One of the main reasons for staff quitting, according to previous research, is a lack of promotion opportunities. High levels of stress, work pressure, and low job satisfaction also contribute to employees considering leaving their positions. The study aims to gather the opinions and experiences of former medical staff to understand the key factors that influence their decisions to resign. By addressing these issues, the hospital can develop better strategies to retain skilled health professionals. This will not only improve staff retention at Mang Kweng but can also help inform retention efforts in other hospitals and regions across the country, contributing to a more stable and effective healthcare workforce. Ultimately, the goal is to improve the quality of healthcare services, support employee well-being, and help the South African government achieve its goal of providing universal access to quality healthcare for all citizens. Conclusions. Many medical practitioners and professional nurses left because of a lack of prospects for advancement and a lack of enhanced promotion in Mang Kweng Academic Hospital. The opinions of the resigned medical practitioners and professional nurses were to emphasize increasing the number of staff. Adequate staffing is necessary in the health sector. Increasing the number of health professionals is imperative, and equally, enhanced promotions should be considered to retain the employee. watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.